Did you know that you can purchase used cars from Japan in only 4 simple steps? You may be thinking, but where? At BeForward, you can access over 177,000 vehicles in stock and you will be offered the best prices. You can also order anytime, 24/7 through the BeForward website, or you can visit one of our local offices near you. Now, let's take a look at the steps on how to purchase and receive vehicles from BeForward. Step 1. Order. Search for the vehicle you would like to purchase and select it. You can use one of these options to place an order. Buy now to instantly reserve and buy through BeForward website. Get a price quote to receive a price quotation by email. Or contact any of our local offices to make an inquiry. Step 2. Payment. After placing your order, promptly make the payment using the available payment methods. You can also pay at some of our local offices in some countries and regions. Please contact our local office near you for more information. Step 3. Shipment. After your payment is confirmed, you will receive the shipping schedule of your new vehicle. Once your vehicle is shipped, BeForward will prepare the original documents required for import customs clearance, including bill of lading, and deliver them to your preferred address. You can also track the location of your vehicle using our tracking system Car Arrival Progress. Step 4. Delivery. Receive your vehicle at the agreed destination. You can also use our city delivery service, which does customs clearing and delivers your vehicle to a location near your address, which will save you time and effort. Happy driving and enjoy your new car! If you are interested in buying a vehicle from BeForward, visit beforward.gp, or you can also send your inquiries to tab@beforward.gp. For more details about the purchase process, please visit our How to Buy page.